How's it going, fellas? Welcome back to a trade recap today. I did take a trade today, took an L. We're gonna kind of get into it. This not a horrible L. I guess. Price is kind of going. You know what? We're just gonna save it. So we're gonna kind of go over our drawing. So we drew out our 4-hour equilibrium here from these highs to these lows. 4-hour draw on liquidity. 4-hour draw on liquidity. We could scale into the hourly. You can see that we have this hourly draw on liquidity here. And then there's no other hourly highs or lows. Then we have this hourly inverse for value gap here. I kind of wanted to see price come down into this range here to go long if I was going to try to find a long today. Then we have this 1-hour bearish for value gap here that price was creeping up to before market opened. So this was mainly my main confluence that I wanted to see price hit. And we could see that price is just moving down now, moving down. Oh, that's just lovely. So I kind of wanted to see price respect to this bearish for value gap, which we did. We could see on the hourly time frame we closed below, and so we respected this for value gap here. We could scale into the 15-minute time frame. We could see that we have this 15-hour or 15-minute draw on liquidity here. So I marked that out as a prominent high that I wanted to see price move up towards. Scale down to the 5-minute. This is where I had my entry on. So you can see that we swept out liquidity, came down, and then this is where this 8 o'clock candle closed, where we respected the hourly for value gap here. Respected the hourly for value gap, disrespected this 5-minute bearish for value gap. So I entered off of that, put my stops above these highs, and then price just ended up seeking me out, stopping me out. Ended up taking out this 1-hour liquidity. And then now it's heading towards my take profits, which is, always lovely. We always love to see that when we get stopped out and price goes in our direction. Just, it makes me feel real nice and happy inside. But it's alright. Take some L's, you learn from it. So, what I could use for going on from this, just use higher time frame draws and liquidity, man. Like this should have been obvious. I should have been waiting for this. And I was telling my buddy that I was on Discord with this morning that I wanted to see these hourly highs get taken out. But that my bias flipped once we disrespected this 5-minute bearish for value gap. Once we disrespected this, I thought that we were just going to sweep out this, and then continue back down to the downside. But obviously, we wanted to sweep out these hourly highs, and then continue back down to the downside. So, it is what it is, man. Take some L's, take some dubs. Not much you could really do about it. So we just gotta be back tomorrow, and hopefully we can find a better trade. But tomorrow, let's go for news. So today we had no news. Tomorrow we only have orange folder news. Wednesday's orange folder news. Thursday we have some red folder. And then Friday we're good too. So looks like we have a pretty good trading week this week. Not a whole lot of news. We got some medium impact news, which is fine. It's not like it's super high impact. So just gonna keep our eyes on the lookout for those. And yeah, fellas, if you enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.